It's Margarita, and we are back with yet a ninth, that's right, the ninth review from MixBar, and this time it's Cloud Musk. So I finally made it to number 9. Oh my goodness, this has been one heck of a journey with MixBar, and Cloud Musk is really nice. Story time. So I was at TSA. I was going to Tampa the other day. And do you know, I held up the line with this fragrance. Now, it was something when I got it, it was just, just a nice musk scent. I thought, it reminds me a little bit of Musk 12 by Kayali, which has made its way onto my Holy Grail list. So if you want something that's less expensive, definitely give Cloud Musk a try. But yes, I was in the line at TSA checking in, and the agent stopped me and was like, "Oh my God, you smell so good. What is that?" And mind you, this is peak time on a Sunday. The line was insane, but she just had to know. So that said, if you want to get good bang for your buck for $20 that will garner you compliments, even at times when it may be inappropriate or time consuming, Cloud Musk is a really good bet. Now I'm going to read a little bit from the brand about the fragrance. So it's warm and spicy. This fragrance blends exotic cardamom and sensual tonka bean with a calming blend of warm, light florals. Sparkling pink peppercorn, iris, and cotton peony are layered with sheer woods and comforting flowering jasmine. Now, just reading this, the notes are big no-nos for me. When I say that is because jasmine goes salty on me. Iris is too powdery and peppery notes just don't like me. However, I think the peony is the saving grace. Peony fragrances work wonderfully with my body chemistry, and so I'm thinking that between that and the woods, it is balancing out all the other no notes. So that said, I too must agree, this is something worth getting your nose on. I'm going to put it on now just so I can remind myself. But off initial sniff, I smell the jasmine just on the bottle because I smell saltiness. Now, usually when a person does not like certain notes, that's what they tend to smell first. So yes, I instantly pick up salt, and that is the jasmine to me. Now, the full list of notes are cardamom, cypress, cotton flower, iris, jasmine, peony, tonka bean, and woodsy notes. Now, tonka bean, if you've been watching my videos, is another no note for me. Every single tonka fragrance I've tried, I ended up decluttering. I like it at first, and then once it really gets into mixing with my chemistry, it just goes synthetic, almost like plastic and powdery. So I just don't really care for tonka. But again, this is balanced out so well by the wood and the peony that all the other bad notes just don't turn out so badly on me. Yeah, it's really bright. I'm picking up the woods. After a couple of seconds, the woods definitely shine through. So there is, there's that cypress, and there is that cedar. And I am so happy that this is in there because it definitely helps blend everything in. So that said, $19.99 is a good bet, especially when you're comparing it to Kayali Musk 12. Now, Kayali Musk. Kayali Musk 12 reminds me a lot of Prada Candy. However, it's a better version that does not smell like hairspray. So it's kind of closer to the Candy Kiss version a little bit, which is the one that I like the most from that line. So if you like Prada Candy or Prada Candy, any of the flankers, Kayali Musk 12 is a good alternative. If you do not want to spend the money on a Kayali, this is a good backup, a good runner-up. Now, I personally prefer the Kayali Musk 12 because it is just that amazing. But again, this is nice, especially if you're just going for an easy reach or something inoffensive. This scent, I would say, is very office safe. If you're someone who is very shy of musk notes, give this one a try because it's very floral. Also, the musk in here is not a true animal musk to my understanding, so it's more synthetic. So you're not going to have as pungent of a smell. This is a very, very fresh musk. But let me know, have you tried anything from MixBar? I've done 9 reviews so far because they only have 9 fragrances at the time of this recording, and all 9 are here on my channel for you to check out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. Anything that starts with the letter F particularly that is fantastic, such as fragrance, food, fun, fitness, femininity, fashion, and falsetto, aka music. So until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.